Yesterday there was a big night at Okada Hotel. We have a award ceremony, and there were lots of people who were receiving the awards, like mayors or the vice mayors or the governors or congressmen and different categories people. And in the business sector, I was also given an award for the CEO, the Chief Executive Officer for my company, which is I'm the owner of the company, and I have this company, Two World INC, in Philippines and also in many other countries. And our effort for the communities in Philippines to provide the best quality vaccines and pharma products at lowest, most competitive prices. So then I was given this award for the business effort helping communities in the Philippines and with the vaccines and with the medicines. So I was have an opportunity to give the message there also, and that the same message I wanted to repeat here. The same message I wanted to repeat here, that it was talking about the nation builders, and everybody wants to talk about the nation, that how we can help the nation. And I said why we are focusing more on nation and why we are not focusing on humanity. Regardless of whatever nationalities we have, we forget about. We don't have to give more importance to the nation. We need to go more importance to humanity, because we are all human. We are all human brethren from one mother and one father. The one father is Adam, and then one mother is the Hawa, the Eve. So we are children of Adam and Eve. So we need to focus about humanity. We are all one human. Our nation is a human nation. We are human nation. We are human species on the earth, planet Earth. And then as all the species, even animals, they lives with harmony. The lion don't kill other lions, or the dogs don't kill the other dogs. Why human killing other humans? We need to give the priority of the human nation. We are the human nation. No one is here in this world is an alien. We are not alien. We are human, and we are human brethren in this world. So talk about humanity, and we need to forget about our different identities, or I call it the nationalism is a different kind of racism. That my nation is better than all the other nations, and for my nation I am willing to kill other nations. It's not the right idea. We all human beings are one nation, one human, one nation. We need to be one as one nation as whole, and we need to protect and give benefits to each other. Allah said in the Quran that, "O mankind, we created you from one male and one female and made you into nations and tribes just for identification." So the nations and tribes are for identification, not for superiority. We all human are equal. The black is not superior to white. White is not superior to black. The Arab is not superior to non-Arab, and non-Arab is not superior to Arab. That's what the Prophet Muhammad said in his last sermon, that all the human beings are equal, and we all are creation of God Almighty, only one God, Allah, and He created us from Adam. So we are all equal. We don't need to think about different nationality. We need to think about we are all human nation, and we are all one. So we should stop, the human should stop killing other human. As what's happening right now, the Israel considered themselves a nation, and the Palestine considered themselves a nation. And then the Israel is killing the people of Palestine. And all the other nations, they don't mind also. They say, no, we need to take care of our own nation, never mind Palestine. So Muslim nations and the non-Muslim nations are watching the show, how the Israel is killing the innocent people in Palestine, and they don't mind it at all. Walang pakialam in Tagalog. So that's not right. Palestinian people and we and the Israel and all the world people, we are all human beings. We don't need to kill each other. Rather, we need to protect each other, and we need to give benefits to each other. Allah said in this verse, these nations and tribes only for identification, and best among you with Allah are those who are most fearful to Allah. So, sino mas takot sa Allah, siya yung mas mataas sa harap ng Allah. So we need, if we are fearing God, the people who are good people, those who are fearing God. And if we fear God, then we don't need to kill people. Rather, we need to give protection to people. We need to give benefits to people. So that was my message yesterday, which I explained it here in this lecture live. May Allah guide us. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sallam.